natural hair tools haul. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria. I'm the founder of the School of Life. On this channel, I talk about skincare, hair care, dating, and relationship tips. Today, we're going to do a hair tools haul. I'm going to show you what I purchased for my natural hair care, a few natural hair tools, and I'm going to tell you what the tools are used for. Okay, so let's get going. So let me start with I can find my scissors. Okay, my hair has been freshly washed. This is what my hair looks like right now. I washed it, I dried it, I did braids, and I undid the braids because I am planning to do cornrows. So let me show you already what I purchased for my hair. Let me start by the first part. So let me start with the first part. So by the way, I will put a link in the description and the comments so that you can get these tools for yourself too. So let me start with the first one. Yay! This is a rake comb. It is perfect to comb like your natural hair. It is really good to comb your natural hair. It really goes through the hair strands without breaking your hair. It's really a good comb. It was recommended to me by the Wave Skin Wolfgang Lisbog. I started using this type of combs because he told me about it. It's a really nice comb. Okay, so this is the first tool. Second fashion. Hello. So this one is a silk cap. It is made with real mulberry silk from the description. It smells nice. It's quite soft actually. So it has an elastic. I don't know if the elastic one is good. I'm going to test it and I'm going to tell you people. So it's really to keep my hair, you're always supposed to have a satin cap or silk cap. Really if you do not want your hair to dry out and to lose moisture anyhow, it's good to have something like this. So I got it in 2 colors. You can check, or you always check the link in the description to get yours. I got it in 2 colors. I hope it will not be too tight. I feel a bit like it's going to be tight. I'm not yet sure. I'm gonna see you. Let me see. Should I try it up? Let me try it out. Okay, for a fro, it's really not too tight. Oh, I think it looks cute. Look at me. I like it. Okay. I think it's good. I'm probably going to be sleeping in this tonight. So I will have one. I have 2, so I will be alternating between the 2. So we've already seen, this, and this. And let's go to the last part. So this one, I know you can guess what it is. Or I guess you can guess what it is. I've been seeing this so much on social media for such a long time. And I've been wanting to get one for myself. And I'm finally able to have one for myself. Yay! I finally have the super brush plus the unbrush brush. I'm so happy about this. Look at it. Okay, so this is the ultimate brush right now that we see almost everywhere in the natural hair community. It has instructions. Let me see what is written on it. Brand hollow comb with big history is guaranteed of its own quality products with strong impact in design. Oh, it's quite. Listen to this. It doesn't feel hard. I only brush my hair when it's wet, so I can't brush it now to show you. But if you want, I can test it. It's written Italian design, special heat dissipation structure, counteracts the effects of sunburn lens, dry hair in a few steps, particularly honeycomb holes. Okay, so basically you can be using this and blow dry your hair at the same time, So it's so nice. Hey. I finally have this brush. I've been waiting for it for so long. I can't wait to try it out. I've seen people like do people with flaxseed gel or okra gel and use this to detangle their hair. I don't know what you think about it. I don't know if you want me to try it out. Please tell me among all the tools that you've seen me use here, that you've seen me show here, which one you want me to try out first. So now we're going to the next one. So this is like a brush. It's to massage your scalp while you're washing your hair, and can also be used to detangle your hair. Look at there. Okay, yeah. So basically, it's to massage your scalp. Um. Okay. So that's all for my unboxings. So it can cater in this product, like you can get all of them on my Amazon storefront. I will add a link in the description below, or if you want the link, individual link to each, so that you can get it for yourself. You really like it. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Let me quickly mention this book. You can get it on Amazon too. It's called Starting a Natural Journey from Scratch, Transitioning from Relaxed to Natural Hair, and it's a book written by myself, by the grace of God. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you soon, and bye-bye. Also, please tell me which tool you would like to see me try out using first. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you soon. And which one do you want to buy for yourself? God bless you. See you soon, and bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.